Sister Lourdes Alves DC, our university president.
Baby na siya.
To Sister Karina Palomares DC, the chair of the Law Management Team. To Mr. Ronald Valerio, our principal. Guests, sisters, faculty and staff, parents,
Si June, kanta yan.
friends, and fellow graduates, a pleasant evening.
Gagawin mo ba yan?
The beauty of graduation is that we take a moment to look back at what we have done and how all this provides meaning to our formation. Our success is given back to our parents and society. As we look back, we learn where we are going. But this I can say, there is less need to be confronted by fear. Why? We hold on to the values we have been able to imbibe in our 4 years of stay in USI Pili. We are Vincentian graduates and have been privileged to be educated with love, respect, and charity. This, my fellow graduates, is what will set us apart from others. This is what will give us inspiration to pursue our dreams. Whatever road we will take, this will always remind us that we have work waiting for us, and that is service to the poor. 4 years ago, we entered this school as little girls and little boys. We were full of expectations and hopes back then. I believe that each one of us here expected to experience some of our first in high school. First crush, first love, first heartbreak, first jamming session, and so on. Back then, we were full of childish dreams, but look at who we have become now. We're no longer true. We have grown better. Childish shots, noise, and troubles are still there because in fact, they are part of growing up. In the past, we were the students who simply want ordinary things. But now, we're the students who want ordinary things to change into extraordinary ones. 4 years is a short time for laughter, happiness, and smiles. But it is such a long time for dozens of projects, hundreds of tests, thousands of quizzes, and a lot of beating the deadlines. 4 years have molded us to become better persons. And we are not alone in that journey. Many people came and left, but they taught us how to live. Those who left, their people who stay with us. And we will thank them for that. Project proposals, school events, funds, and programs. These things will always depend on them. The sisters and administrators, thank you for teaching us how to be patient. You are like our parents already. We students always need to seek your approval. Through our proposals, we need to impress you to make what we want you. But after all your hurdles, everything will always be worth it. Who would have thought that behind these professionals are lovely and interesting personalities? We once saw them as strict mentors, but after months of practice and bonding with teachers who make us memorize analyze and compute, but at the same time, they guide, support, defend, and entertain us. To all the teachers, you will always be our heroes. Tonight is the night of our parents too. Let us not forget them who gave us our allowance, paid for our tuition fee, and came to school every meeting. Seeing us walk down the aisle is just the beginning. Let them see us fly to the stars and be the brightest thing in the universe. But let us not forget how to be humble. More than anything else, let us not forget our parents. To all the parents who sacrifice and work hard for us to be here, I salute you. As we try to fit in other people's expectations, we made friends. My fellow graduates, thank you for being with me as we all reach for our dreams. Thank you for the 4 years of friendship, joy, and troubles. Would any one of us forget how we cheered for our batchmates during intramurals? Would we ever forget how we compared each other's attires, dresses, and makeups during seniors prom and juniors day? No one, because these experiences made our high school life a unique one. If I were to say my opinion, I would never give up this kind of life in exchange of any kind of gem or treasure. Because I believe high school life will always be a once-in-a-lifetime achievement and experience. To the Almighty Father watching us from above, thank you for giving me these people. These people who continued believing me, even after I stopped believing in myself. They will always be my treasures. As the next chapter in our lives opens for us, some might ask if we are ready for the reality outside the portals of USI. But let's just answer that with another question. Is the world ready for us? Once again, good evening, thank you, and congratulations. For the last time, fellow graduates, conquer the world.
Thank you, Marielle, for that challenging address of gratitude.